Shaughnessy writes, the Colts have no chance to beat the Patriots at Gillette Sunday night in Foxborough. Enjoy the game. But deep down, we all know the Patriots won the AFC Championship last weekend.
He's a lovable wet blanket,
I know.
Shaughnessy's a lovable wet blanket.
It's his brand, as they say in the biz, but I got to ask, is he right or just being cranky?
He'd be right, except the Colts have Andrew Luck, and you just can't count him out.
Okay.
I really think at this moment with a hurt Aaron Rodgers, if you said who's the best player in football, independent of all the other factors like the offensive line, the running game, it's Andrew Luck. He's the best player in football other than Aaron Rodgers.
Wow. Well, look, Andrew Luck is coming, but Andrew Luck is not there just yet. There is a Tom Brady who is sitting down, looking down at Andrew Luck. So
with a better coach and a better team.
So he's right. The Colts have no chance. Just like there's no chance. There's zero chance of thunder showers in LA today, and there's zero chance on Sunday for the Colts to beat them. Let me tell you this. For a guy, Andrew Luck is tremendous. I hate to go here on this guy, but no one's perfect. And when we used to get scouting reports, there were always two columns, positives and negatives. Here's the negatives of Andrew Luck. He throws more interceptions than touchdowns in the postseason.
Okay.
Here's the negative.
That's misleading.
Max, what do you mean misleading?
It occurred in two bad games.
Was he playing in those games?
Yes.
Well, he had bad games.
But to say that's like the average game, you're not
I didn't say average. You said average.
The mean. But anyway,
can I finish? Last time he was in Foxborough in the postseason, 4 interceptions. So let's just say he plays better. 3-2. That's going to get you beat.
But 0.
And he has no team around him on the same level of his greatness. Where Tom Brady, look at that defense. Look at that secondary. Look what Belichick can create. It's just too many guys pointing at Andrew Luck, and all he has is himself.
You'll be in Vegas this weekend. Are you going to put a lot of money down since there's 0 chance?
Girl, I don't. Hey, after that trip to Panama in 2003, no more gambling for me.
Besides Andrew Luck, let me just point out what no chance in the NFL means. Like, let's say the Patriots beat them they're up by 10 points at a spread. That's 1 turnover, a pick 6. All of a sudden, it's a 1-score game. No chance, and you have a guy, a one-man army like Andrew Luck.
Max, you know what beats a one-man army? A real army. Like all the men are army men, all soldiers. You got one man out there saying, I got him.
Yes,
no,
but
you
if
don't.
Hollywood has taught us anything, Marcellus, is that one vigilante.